So today, we finna talk about what's in this Elf bar that I've been smoking. And everybody in the video or whatever be hitting on. First thing I'm gonna do is just look at this motherfucker. And don't talk about my nails, I just got done working. Fuck y'all motherfuckers. But anyway, look at that. Look at that. That's all them niggas on. Hey, what is this though? I'm trying to figure out what the fuck this is. Like, I'm trying to get the wires at the bottom for y'all. Some motherfucking wires in there. Anyway, motherfucking battery we smoking on. Like, this shit can't be straight. Like, look at this motherfucker. Think about you rolling up a blunt and smoking a blunt. And we be just hitting this all day. I be waking up in the morning, hitting that hoe, making this hoe be hurting the fuck out my chest. And we need to go back natural, y'all. This shit just ain't right. I don't think this shit for us, bro. Like, look at this, smoking batteries. I couldn't even put that in the song. I'm out here smoking batteries. I couldn't even do it. Nails already messed up. Lungs finna be messed up too. But yeah, y'all just watch out for this little shit. Just a little fruit for thought or whatever. I don't think this shit's great. I'm gonna do a part 2 too. When I actually, oh shit. Yeah, most definitely doing part 2.